Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, 4 minutes in. So I'll share my screen a bit. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to VOLTHA TST call, August 19th. This call will be recorded and uploaded to the social media. Today's agenda don't have much. So being 2.14 being released already. Thanks to Eric. Thanks, Eric, for making it very fast this time.
Yes, no problem. Glad I didn't run into any issues.
Yeah, good. Anything else? Suppose I at least don't have anything.
I had one thing that I wanted to discuss, which was the possibility of moving from Jenkins to GitHub Actions. Um, I'm curious, like in general, what people's thoughts are with that. And I have a change that actually needs a slight edit, but I have a change prepared that would show how the GitHub Actions would work for the VOLTHA Go repo.
You have anything which you can show, Eric, today in today's call?
Not currently. I'm more curious just what people's general
Okay.
thoughts are.
Actually, I haven't used GitHub Actions, so I don't have any idea. But of course, when you say that, I have some questions about that. I mean, what efforts are needed to, change this from Jenkins to GitHub Actions? And what will be changing, for us that's using the GitHub Actions? So probably we will need some education, like, guiding.
Yeah. So the reason to do it is that well, for one thing, we wouldn't have to host Jenkins, so that saves the project money.
Mhm.
GitHub Actions just also tend to run much faster and they're simpler to write, so that they're more easily readable.
So
But yeah,
don't we
I
pay
can't.
to the Git Actions?
Sorry?
Don't we pay to the GitHub Actions?
No.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, so it sounds like I should put together a demo for you all. So I will do that for the next meeting and I'll add that to the next meeting's agenda.
Okay.
So if we decide to, go to GitHub Actions,
Hmm.
do you request anything from anyone, any work needed to be done by any of us or anybody else, or is it only you that will be doing that?
So handling the CI would primarily fall to me. I think the main thing I would be asking for is code reviews, obviously before merging any code, because the actions are held in the repository for which they're running. So you pretty much are getting rid of having stuff in like a CI management repo. Although you can do shared actions, but I won't get into that just yet. So anyway, before merging any code into the individual repositories, I would need reviews on it. I think that's the main thing I would need from other people. And yeah, if people want to work on their own, provide feedback, or make their own changes, that's great. But I don't think it would be required for people who don't want to.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Hmm.
We discussed this GitHub Actions before, and my concern was this is a licensed product. Yes, we are not paying GitHub Actions, but it's a licensed product, and is it dangerous to use for like an open source project to have a licensed product? So my question is, in the Linux Foundation, the using the GitHub Actions is the default CI/CD or?
Yes, at this point it is.
Okay.
We started, probably about 2 years ago, sort of testing it out and doing trial runs, and at this point, almost the vast majority of our projects have moved from Jenkins or other CI into GitHub Actions.
Okay, got it. If in Linux Foundation this is a default way, I think it is best to also for us to switch to GitHub Actions.
Okay. So yeah, next meeting I will do a demo, and I think that's all I have for today. Thank you.
So I have another question for the 2.14 release. Is something published or it will be published by Michelle? Because I didn't see any news about it.
Michelle is not in the call. Can check with her for a second.
Okay,
can
I
put her on
just
Slack.
wondered.
Yeah. Sure, I think so. Dan does it, publishing things. That's what Michelle said last time, but yeah, I can check with her once.
Yes, generally prepare, something like release notes and an announcement, and we send it to Dan and then publish it. Polish and publish.
Do they aware that we finished this release process? Maybe they are not aware and not doing anything.
They are in the
Okay.
last broadband board meeting. It was yeah.
Okay. Either way, I'll ping Michelle and check if any information is needed for publishing the release.
Okay, thank you.
Anything from anyone?
Nope.
right?
Congrats, guys, for you two for the new term of TSD co-chairing. Serkan
Oh,
and
thank you, Mahir.
Alpesh.
Thanks, Mahir. Congrats, Serkant.
Thank you. Same for you. And also, Mahir, thanks to you.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you. Thanks for your time, everyone. Have a nice rest of the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.